side of the road here. Take care of the community main road. Keep it looking decent. Keep it from getting too overgrown. It helps a lot when I can see where I'm hogging, so I can move faster when I'm just doing a general cut. Right now I'm working on the ditches, which is a little unnerving since I don't usually cut the ditches. I don't know how steep they are. Some of them drop off dramatically, like that one right there. It's only like a 18-inch drop, but I think if I got the tractor down in there, it could be sketchy to either A, get it out, especially because we've been having some rain, or B, potentially if I hit like a really soft spot, maybe I'd roll it over. But I don't know, so I'm just trying to be cautious about what I'm actually getting into, since I'm new to owning a tractor, so having a blast doing the bush hogging, but obviously just want to try to be safe. These tractors are amazing. I'm just stunned at everything that they can go through, and the next one is going to be even that bigger and more impressive than the RK55. So this machine's done everything I wanted it to do. Now I'm going to get one that's 50% bigger and more capable in just about every single way. So it's going to be pretty awesome to you know, get the Massey Ferguson 4707 in here and get to work with that, and the Bomba Light, which is going to be even more exciting, since that's just, you know, there's not even too many people in this area that even have a Bomba Light. I'll be able to do stuff that most other tractor operators in this area simply can't do. So I'm looking forward to getting that in a couple weeks and coming back along here and revisiting this, because with all this rain, this will be back just like this in a month. So more to go.